Welcome to the Heritage Grill located in the heart of New Westminster. We wanted to introduce New Westminster to a commercial drive, Yaletown kind of experience while offering great food, a wonderful ambience, and terrific entertainment. It's world music in the heart of New Westminster. We also like to promote art and the fabulous local talent we have amongst us. A featured artist is showcased in our establishment each month. Also very exciting each and every Sunday evening, the Back Room with Ingeborg Raymer hosts life drawing sessions with professional models. Many of our regular clients have noticed our poster announcing live performances in the Back Room Theatre, an intimate performance venue at the Heritage Grill. Also, to hit our stage presented by the Backroom Theatre Club, the one-man adaptation of Chaucer's medieval masterpiece, Wrapped by the brilliant Baba Brinkman.
Guided by the shine of carnal greed, he went to buy the wine and then to the pharmacy, and sounding harmless he asked for this black ointment that he'd seen used in the past as a rat poison, meaning to trap his boys into drinking tainted wine, while at the same time thinking, the game is mine.
We here at the Heritage Grill are always up for new and innovative projects, like our latest successful endeavor, a World Poetry Jazz Evening.
Good evening and welcome to the fabulous world of poetry and jazz in New Westminster. This is so exciting. Thank you for coming.
Even when the waitress walked up on her stage to turn the lights down, she smiled.
Other community events we have hosted include cancer awareness, the recent Show and Shine, and our annual music festival.
Hammer down my walking cane. Oh, I got another woman, baby. Honey, yonder come your maid.
My baby, don't stand no cheating, my baby. My baby, don't stand no cheating, my baby.
Our restaurant has two excellent chefs with very versatile experience, allowing the Heritage Grill to offer, in addition to the regular menu, some very exciting and different daily specials. Prepared fresh daily in-house, our extensive menu offers a wide variety of culinary delights ranging from West Coast to Cajun, Asian to Italian cuisine. Start your meal with our mouth-watering apple and cilantro crab cakes with avocado salsa. Or perhaps you would prefer the gorgonzola stuffed mushroom caps. Other tantalizing hors d'oeuvres include the baked brie with roasted garlic, raspberry coulis and pesto croutons, and mussels and clams served in a tomato herb sauce. When it comes to your main course, there is a dizzying array of signature entrees to choose from. The seared halibut with mango salsa and lemon ginger rice is a standout, as is the authentic New Orleans traditional jambalaya, chock full of chicken, sausage, seafood, and seasonal vegetables. For those of you in a hurry or prefer to dine at home, we also provide takeout service for all our menu items. We also offer wines from Peller Estates, Red Rooster Vineyard, ales from Granville Island Brewery, and an extensive cocktail list. We also offer a standard daily breakfast and host a weekly Sunday brunch with music accompaniment with the likes of Melissa Hind. Come on down and bring the entire family. Heritage Grill offers an outdoor patio, an intimate indoor dining area with stage and bar, as well as a separate room for special private functions. Stick around and venture into your Sunday afternoon with Celtic sounds for your listening pleasure. The Casual Hip Eatery is located in the heart of downtown New Westminster, next to the SkyTrain. The Heritage Grill, 447 Columbia Street, or you can contact by phone 604-759-0819. Visit our website, www.theheritagegrill.com. So thank you for joining us, and please come and visit us. The Heritage Grill, your destination for great food, exquisite drinks, and live music.